Welcome to ATDC 1-minute video tips. These video series is composed of different tips on service procedures, machine operation as well as maintenance procedures that will surely help you in handling your Komatsu machines. Disclaimer: this video serves as an additional guide and should not be used in replacement of the Komatsu's shop manuals and operator and maintenance manuals, or OMM. For the complete procedures, please always refer to the Komatsu manuals, as mentioned. Eco Guidance Display. Applicable models: Hydraulic Excavator -8M0 and up models. The guidance for energy-saving operation to reduce the fuel consumption may be displayed during operation. The details of the guidance are as follows. Idling stop guidance. When the control lever remains in neutral position for more than 5 minutes, the idling stop guidance is displayed on the machine monitor. When waiting for work, or taking short break, stop the engine to reduce unnecessary fuel consumption. Hydraulic relief deterrence guidance. If the hydraulic oil is kept relieved for more than 3 seconds during operation, the hydraulic relief deterrence message is displayed on the monitor. E-mode recommendation guidance. If light load work is continued for more than 10 minutes in P mode, E-mode recommendation message is displayed. When working on light load, set the working mode to E mode, to reduce the unnecessary fuel consumption. Travel partial mode recommendation guidance. If the machine keeps traveling for more than 2 minutes with the travel mode high, and the fuel control dial at maximum position, this message is displayed. When traveling for a long time, the fuel consumption can be reduced by lowering the fuel control dial. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more video updates.